Gusto ba mag-summer trip or magbakasyon, pero wala ka pang budget, or maybe you're still waiting for your sweldo, or baka naman wala kang credit card na magagamit? So if that sounds like you, I think I might have something that you need to make that trip happen without really breaking the bank. And if you're curious, then keep on watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Charm and I upload videos about work from home related content, my experiences with legit online loan applications, and snippets into my daily life. But for today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the OG online loan apps out there. Well, I'm pretty sure alam niyo na to because it's widely used and nakikita ko siya palagi sa ads in Facebook and YouTube. It's practically everywhere. So what I'm talking about is BillEase. Well, I've had BillEase for quite a while. Siguro, I can't remember exactly, but I think I've had it for 2 years now. Pero lately, I haven't really used it because I've been using lately, it's puro Atomic card yung ginagamit ko. Atomic card, and then my credit card, and then C-Bank. So, parang napabayaan ko yung BillEase ko. So, well, I'm pretty sure you already have an idea what BillEase is, but just to give you like an overview or a background, it's been in the market for a while now. It launched in 2017, so OG na talaga siya. It's trusted, definitely legit, no question about that. And also, ito ay parang one of the lowest na interest rate in the market. It starts at 3.49% monthly. And then may pa-promo pa sila yung mga 0% APR, but only with select merchants. Anyway, so BillEase is a great Ola. And marami siyang features actually, but maybe we're gonna talk about that some other time. I'm just giving you like an overview or some information about BillEase. So we're gonna talk about BillEase and my experience with it recently. So ito na nga, story time. My sister told me that they are going to book a hotel, or they have already booked a hotel. And I wanted to go there as well kasi I haven't tried it yet pa. So I went ahead and I told my sister, sige, sama kami. And I checked Klook. And I also compared the price with, the price of the hotel doon sa Agoda. So, Klook, Agoda. But since Agoda's price is cheaper, I decided to go ahead and book it from there. Now, what happened during the part where you're supposed to make a payment for the booking? Ito yung nakita ko. So, you are given 3 options for the payment. First is credit card. Pero, if wala ka namang credit card, you have the option to pay using BillEase. So, it's the second option. Monthly payments, BillEase. So, I wasn't really thinking of using BillEase for this transaction. Sabi ko nga, hindi ko na siya nagagamit for a while. So, when I saw that BillEase was an option to book this or to complete my payment for this booking, I thought it might be wise to use BillEase kasi I don't want to keep it like dormant, walang activity. Natakot ako baka matulad siya sa Tala account ko. I have a video for Tala if you want to check that out. So yung Tala account ko, since hindi ko na siya ginagamit for a while, someone made his or her way to that account and nag-loan siya without my knowledge. Nagulat na lang ako na bigla ako naka-receive ng text message and phone calls and emails na meron daw akong loan. So, yun na nga. That's a different story. You can watch what happened by just clicking on or watching this video over here. Anyway, back to my story. Yun na nga. I was afraid that the same thing will happen to my BillEase account. That's why I said, okay, sige, let's use it for now. By the way, yung credit limit ko sa BillEase was only 31,500. It's been like that for a while kasi nga hindi ko siya ginagamit na So naisip ko rin, maybe if I use it now, I might get another limit increase for my credit line sa BillEase. So yun, those are the two reasons why I decided to go and select that payment option. Now here, when you go to ito, you will be redirected. Once you select the BillEase option, you will be redirected to the app. Okay. So, once you're there, may dalawang options pa pala sila. Yung isa, EasyPace, and then the other option is most flexible. So, parang na-curious ako sa EasyPace. So, when I checked how to use this plan, it says, pay more, save more. Paying extra beyond your due date or due amount reduces total interest and helps you repay your loan faster, more savings, less stress. Interest on remaining balance only. Interest is charged only on what's left unpaid, so every extra payment means lower future costs. Lastly, no penalties for early payment. Want to pay off your loan sooner? No extra fees, no penalties. You have full freedom to prepay anytime. So, when I read those, parang nag-decide agad ako na I'm gonna take this option because normally, hindi ko naman talaga, I don't wait for the entire contract to finish. Like, if I have a contract for 9 months or 12 months, I usually pay it off early. Once I have the money, binabayaran ko siya agad kasi ayokong may iniisip. Anyway, so yun. I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and do this instead. You can have, wait a minute. So you have the option to pay it in 6 months, 9 months, or 12 months. So even if I choose, let's say 12 months, that's okay because I can pay it off early. Like, I don't have to wait for the entire month, 12-month period. And the thing is, I really like na pwede ko siyang bayaran in advance and then I won't be penalized. Wala akong penalty na makukuha. Also, let's say for example, there are two options, diba? Weekly or every 2 weeks yung payment schedule mo. So, let's say for example, for weekly, ito yung amount na babayaran ko. I can pay more than the amount that's due for that week. So, pwede yan dito sa EasyPace. So, meron naman yung isang option, most flexible. Actually, hindi na ako nag-isip because I just wanted to go ahead and try the EasyPace. So, I went ahead with that one. Anyway, so eto na siya. Once I'm done, lumabas na siya, payment successful. And then it says, it was paid to Agoda Company and the amount of 9,776.21. So, yun. So, here, walang funds na madidisburse sa akin. Like, the payment goes straight to the partner merchant, which is Agoda in this case. And that's it. So, ito na, may booking confirmation na and all. So, all that's left to do is to wait for the day and then mapunta na kami dun. So, yun. I know it's pretty late. It's already 2:06 in the morning and I just couldn't wait to share this with you guys. So, I went ahead and recorded this. So, yun lang. Yun lang. Alright. So, I don't really know if yung ibang OLAs ay nag-o-offering din ng or may paganitong pakulo sila or feature. But, this is worth knowing. At least you know that you have options. If wala ka pang pera or wala pa yung budget na hinihintay mo or you don't have a credit card to use, then this is definitely a great option for you too. Let me know if you've already tried this in the comments section. I'd love to hear your experience. or if you have tried other OLAs that offer this feature as well, then please leave it down in the comment section for others, for future reference and all. But for now, that's it. And I do thank you and appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this. All right, I'll see you next time. Ciao!